TIG welding, short for tungsten inert gas welding, is one of the most precise and controlled forms of welding used across a wide range of industries. Known for producing clean, high-quality welds, especially on thin materials or non-ferrous metals, TIG welding requires not only technical knowledge but also exceptional hand-eye coordination and patience. The process, officially known as gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, involves the use of a non-consumable tungsten electrode to generate the arc. An inert shielding gas, typically argon or sometimes a helium-argon mixture, protects the weld pool from atmospheric contamination, allowing for an incredibly stable and clean weld bead. The skill lies not only in keeping the torch steady but also in controlling the heat input, filler material, and maintaining a steady gas shield throughout the weld. A welder approaching a TIG job begins by preparing the base materials meticulously. Cleanliness is non-negotiable. Any trace of oil, rust, paint, or moisture can contaminate the weld, leading to defects like porosity, cracking, or lack of fusion.